Here are 40 common sentences you might use when talking about the gym. 1. I'm heading to the gym later today. 2. What time do you usually go to the gym? 3. I need to work on my cardio. 4. What's your favorite workout routine? 5. How many times a week do you work out? 6. I'm trying to build more muscle. 7. Do you have a gym membership? 8. I love going to the gym, it helps me de-stress. 9. What exercises do you do for your core? 10. I need to improve my strength training. 11. Do you prefer morning or evening workouts? 12. The gym was really crowded today. 13. I'm sore from yesterday's workout. 14. Do you use any pre-workout supplements? 15. I've been seeing great results from my new routine. 16. What's the best way to stay motivated? 17. I forgot my water bottle at home. 18. Have you tried the new machines at the gym? 19. How long do you usually spend working out? 20. I need to stretch more before my workouts. 21. Do you have a personal trainer? 22. I'm focusing on my legs today. 23. The treadmill is my go-to for warming up. 24. I'm working on my flexibility with yoga. 25. How do you stay consistent with your gym routine? 26. I'm trying to hit my fitness goals by next month. 27. What do you usually eat before going to the gym? 28. The gym has a great variety of classes. 29. I need to lift heavier weights. 30. Have you tried the spin class? 31. I really like the new gym playlist. 32. What's your favorite post-workout snack? 33. I just signed up for a boot camp class. 34. It's important to stay hydrated during workouts. 35. I'm taking a rest day to recover. 36. Do you track your progress at the gym? 37. I like to end my workout with some stretching. 38. The gym atmosphere really pushes me to do more. 39. I need to focus on my form to avoid injuries. 40. I feel so energized after a good workout. These sentences can help you engage in conversations about your gym experiences and fitness routines.